Welcome back to Get Lowered Cycles. Today we have a special build going on. We have this 2007 Road Glide that is 17 out of 100 paint jobs and it is super slick. But we have a problem. I have a stunt bike that I blew up last week. Sturgis bike rally, the 86th bike rally is coming in 2 weeks and I need a stunt bike. So we're gonna get this thing repping and rolling so I have a stunt bike while I'm out there in Sturgis and you guys are gonna come along for the process.
All right, so we got this 2007 Road Glide. So this is Big E's next stunt build. So pretty excited to get into this one. Check it out, it's a super clean bike. You've probably seen it in some of our other videos. Today we're gonna start stripping it down. We're gonna do the fairing, the bars, crash guards, wheels, pretty much gonna get everything. But today we're just gonna focus on the handlebars, risers, and fairing. So let's get to it.
Let's get these bags off so we can start this build off right, baby.
What's supposed to stay with the bike? That's coming with me. Staying with the bike.
You're coming home with me. Dude, look at us, you know?
Sturgis 10 minutes away. Gotta be on the trailer in 15 minutes.
In an hour. We literally had a year to prepare. Just starting a bike 20 minutes before we gotta go.
Gotta do bars, suspension. Gotta put cams in it.
Just a few things. I do have to turn the bars in just a moment when you're ready. Oh my gosh, who put a different size on here? Who was it?
It was you, wasn't it?
Who put a different size?
Why's the back tire look squared off?
What did he say?
I thought this thing was adult owned.
This is adult owned its whole life.
I swear that guy said he never did a burnout before.
You ever do a burnout on this thing? Ever? Adult owned its whole life?
I think that's really strange that that tire would even be square. Dude, it's got plenty of life on it. Coffee break, brother. Oh!
God, hit me right in the eye.
Oh!
Oh, casualty.
Are you okay?
Hit me right in the eye.
You need a rag?
No, I'll be okay. Oh my God, the plastic broke off and smacked me right in the eye.
Good Lord, son.
Just broke off and smacked me in the eye. Good coffee break.
Let's keep getting this fairing off. Mike's taking all the controls off as you kind of been seeing. And now I have 2 more bolts until the front fairing comes off. And we'll be rocking and rolling, baby. We gotta move these bars a little bit. How's your eye?
It's okay, I'll recover. That's unexpected.
We got 1 bolt and the second bolt. All right, let's get this fairing off. Where are we at? Where are we at? Where are we at? For son of a biscuit, there was another bolt. Now it's just gonna fall. It's the worst part. Come on, baby girl.
Be gentle.
Mike, I need your assistance.
Be gentle.
You gotta unplug it.
Unplug. Freak me out.
And just look like that. We have a Road King. Ew, she looks silly. Let's take off the gauge housing now. We need a pretty big Torx. I don't know what size it is. How's it going?
Kuryakin was all the rage in the 90s. Everybody had to have Kuryakin.
Dude, somebody's dad is really upset right now. All right, gauge cluster, we just unplug everything. Okay. That's it. For this exhaust.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
Oh, just watch that. What are you doing under there?
What? I'm just trying to find a washer. I think I found it. There's a lot of washers under here, Mike. Oh, it is that washer. Come on. What?
I don't think you can roll them though with that. You're free. Take them things off of there.
Hurrah! Sheep. We're gonna take this ignition switch out because we're doing strip bars, brother. Hey.
There you go. You don't have to cut it.
No cutting.
Just pull it out. Look at that.
I would have cut it.
All right, we got our front brake setup off. Master cylinder is not staying. Calipers we are keeping, but for now it's just gonna go to the bench. All right, so we're working on getting these Baja LP6s lights installed on this 98 to 2013 style Road Glide fairing. Should be pretty tricky.
Yeah, that pops out.
Just pops out, huh?
Pops out. When you come down on from a wheelie, it likes to pop out too.
Good thing we're not using it anymore though. Just like that, the headlight's out. Look at that setup. I mean, this has got to go inside. I think it's got to come out of there.
Right now, there's a metal piece that we got to get out of the original outer fairing so we can put this bracket on for the Baja lights.
This thing's involved. Let's get it off of there. You need a plastic pry bar.
Plastic pry bar. Scalpel. Can you give us a report of what just happened?
There's a little metal piece there. We just popped it off of there. Now we're free of adhesive. We're free, and we're ready to put our drilling template on there. Ooh, that's a nice fit.
That was a nice fit, Mike.
That's a great fit. We're sandwiching the brackets with the fairing. Now we're gonna grab a 7/16 and tighten these up. 7/16, there it is. All right, we're tight. Bracket is in the alignment hole, so we should be good. And let's get our Baja LP6s on our bracket. We're gonna snug them up. Looks like that. Nice and snug, so we're back over to the fairing to put these LP6 lights in the fairing. Oh, she is tight. Needs a little encouragement. All right, so we got the Baja lights in the brackets on the fairing. Now we're gonna do our final tighten on these 6 lock nuts, and that should be it.
Hello. I have Baja lights now.
Oh yeah, sick.
Does it look cool in there, dude?
All right, so that's the end of day 1 on this road glide. We got the bags off, the seats off, the side covers off, the outer fairing is off. The inside, we got rid of the radio, cleaned up some of the wiring, the bars and risers, all that's gone. Cleaned up our triple tree, clutch cable, ready to place a new one on it. Brake lines are all off, calipers are off because we're gonna do a new master cylinder. We got our Trask inner fairing support, nice and hidden and sleek. That's all finished and done. Our outer fairing, that's prepped with the Baja LP6 lights we're gonna be running. That's it for the day. We're gonna get back into it, toss it over to Big E, and let you know what our plans are.
We have 16 days until this bad boy's got to be on a trailer, headed to Sturgis. So we got a lot of work on our hands to do. If you haven't already, make sure you're following Get Lowered Cycles. Make sure you go over to my page and follow Big E's World, because that's where you're going to see all the good stuff of this bike. And make sure you check out GetLoweredCycles.com for all your motorcycle and parts needs. Peace.